going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlights on a Dodge Durango. This happens to be a 2001 model, but it's probably the same for multiple years. The first thing that you're going to want to do is disconnect your battery and completely remove your battery from out of the Dodge Durango if you're changing out your driver's side headlight. So I'm about to do that now. Alright, so now I have the battery out of it. Next thing I'm going to be doing is pretty much reaching. You'll see like an opening over here. This is the blue right here you see I have in my hand. That's the actual power that goes on to the back of your headlight. So the first thing you want to do is reach over in this opening that you'll see over here and pull back on these tabs and disconnect this from the back of your headlight itself. Then once you do that, there's a spin cap that's on top of your headlight that you kind of want to take off, and once you get that out, you can pull your headlight out. So I'm about to be taking a spin cap off, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. And I'm spinning out the cap, and once you spin that out, it'll look like this right here. So once you have that out, next all you want to do is basically reach in and pull out your headlight, which I'm about to be doing now. I'm just going to reach inside and I'm going to pull out the headlight. Alright, it's kind of in there, so you want to just kind of wiggle it out. Okay, once you got it out, your headlight will come out like that. And now what you want to do is take your new headlight. You want to kind of push it in like that with that back piece going inside of it. And once you do that, you want to take this cap and twist it back onto the back of your headlight. Then you want to go ahead and plug back up your power harness to your headlight. You'll pretty much be done. Next, just go ahead on and put your battery back in, reconnect everything, and you're done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Dodge Durango. This happens to be a 2001 model, so it's probably the same for multiple different years. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.